Hey there, and welcome to exercise number 55. In this one, we need to write a function named partitionArray that receives two parameters. The first one is an array of numbers we're going to call numbers, and the second one is a function that receives a number as a parameter and returns a boolean, and we're going to call this function predicateCallback. The function should return an object with two properties. The first one is pass, which is an array with all the numbers that pass the test implemented by predicateCallback. And the second property is fail, and as you can guess, those are all the numbers that fail the test. So basically, we have a callback that receives a number as a parameter and returns a boolean, and then we use this callback to split the numbers into two properties, pass and fail, based on that return value. And at the end, I added a little note here that said the order of the numbers in the pass and fail array should be the same as in the numbers array. So this means don't change the order of the elements, just keep the initial order. Below we have an example. So if our array is this one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and our predicate callback is this one, which basically verifies that a number is odd or even, this should be the result, right? In fail, we should have three numbers, 11, 13, and 15. Why? Because all of those numbers, when passed to this predicate callback, will return false. And then at pass, we should have also three numbers, 10, 12, and 14, because those are the numbers from the initial array that passed to this callback will return true. If you want to solve this exercise for yourself, which I highly encourage you to do, then click on the link in the description. If not, keep watching and we're going to solve it together. I'm going to go here into the right side, into the code area. And the first thing I want to do is create a result object that's going to have a pass property that's going to be an empty array, and then a fail property that's also going to be an empty array. Then I'm going to iterate through all the numbers, right? So I'm going to say numbers for each, and I get a number. And here I care about the result of applying this predicate to the numbers. So let's create a new variable. I'm going to say did pass equal equals predicate callback of number. Now this one will return a boolean, right? So this one is going to be true or false. And here we can decide if did pass, then I'm going to say result.pass.push number. Otherwise, I'm going to say result.fail.push number. And finally, at the end, I'm going to return result. Now let's test our function. So I'm going to do console log. How is it called? Partition array of, and let's copy the array from here. That's number one. And then let's copy the predicate callback. So let me just copy it from here, and it's going to be this one. And we have pass three numbers, 10, 12, 14. This looks good. Fail, again, three numbers. Now this looks good. So let's test our solution, and voila, it works. Cheers, and see you in the next one.